Finding the right heating and AC contractor is important as you need to keep one of the most expensive systems in your home or office running efficiently and properly. Here are 5 things that you need to do before deciding to choose an HVAC company. 1. Make sure they're licensed, insured, and bonded. It is your responsibility to make sure that the HVAC contractor that you choose has the right license to work and insurance. You should also ask to see some references from previous clients. 2. Check for their experience. Experience is something that will dictate how good an HVAC company is at dealing with problems. Find out how many years they have been in business and if they have established a successful track record. 3. Ask for an evaluation. It's critical to ask for an assessment in which the good HVAC contractor will carefully review your system, make a list of potential works, recommend choices to you, and offer a concise estimate. 4. Pay attention to their attitude. Good communication with the contractor is also important. You should be able to ask any questions that you may have, and they should give you answers that are easy to understand. 5. Review contract and warranty policy thoroughly. Make sure that you check the documentation that you are given. You should be provided with a contract that details the works, estimated timescale, equipment costs, and warranty info. Maintaining the ventilation, air, and heating systems in your home or office is the key to the longevity of your units and effective energy savings. So when it comes to hiring an HVAC contractor, keep these factors in mind. If you're looking for highly trained, licensed, insured, and experienced contractors who have knowledge, skill, and experience to provide you with complete repair and maintenance services, contact us today to get the job done right the first time.